We begin with a precise and steady protocol for settling your system. With each easy exhale, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. Tonight's theme is letting go of control, and you can train this response one steady breath at a time. With each easy exhale, picture a warm room with low light and let your system settle patiently. Keep each breath measurable, consistent, and easy. Without rushing, notice a gentle heaviness through your limbs. As you continue, notice a soft hush in the room around you. Take a gentle inhale through the nose for 5, then release for 7. On each exhale, let your breathing become more clear and anchored. As you continue, notice a soft hush in the room around you. Allow your feet to relax. Notice your knees easing into a more unfolded state. Notice your lower back easing into a more easeful state. Let your hips become still. While you listen, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. From here, notice your body feeling more weightless overall. From this softer edge, notice a soft hush in the room around you. In your own steady timing, notice a soft hush in the room around you. In this next moment, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. As the tension releases, notice the sense of pressure draining out of the body. Without rushing, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. From this softer edge, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. From this softer edge, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. In your own steady timing, notice the sense of pressure draining out of the body. In this next moment, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. As you continue, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. With each easy exhale, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. In your own steady timing, notice the feeling of warm light behind closed eyes. As the tension releases, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. In your own steady timing, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. While you listen, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. Without rushing, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. It is safe to leave unfinished stories where they are for now. Without rushing, notice a soft hush in the room around you. Right now, you begin to release what is not helping you now. In your own steady timing, notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. You can stop rehearsing old pain and return to now. As you think about letting go of control, notice that your internal pace is now collected and your attention is still. In this quieter layer, keep your breathing effortlessly and your posture unfolded. Notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. In this next moment, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. Let the idea of control settle into your breathing as a calm, practical reference point. Treat this as skill training for your nervous system. Notice your thighs easing into a more resonant state. Without rushing, Notice the feeling of old weight dissolving on each exhale. Allow your lower back to loosen and feel crystalline. Let your jaw soften. Let your neck become tranquil. As the rhythm deepens, notice your body feeling more effortless overall. From this softer edge, notice a smooth quiet between one breath and the next. Picture your next focused work block. You arrive with a centered breath and a contained mind. You respond to letting go of control with steady intention, not urgency. As the tension releases, notice a soft hush in the room around you. A quiet sense of control stays with you as you respond. While you listen, notice the weight of your body supported beneath you. Use control, settled and precise as a private cue for calm precision. Return in your own steady timing, keeping this calm in your breathing and posture. When you are ready, take one fuller breath and carry this clarity with you. You leave with composure that is repeatable, not accidental.